guys, welcome to another video. So today's video will be on magnetic lashes. The last ones I had, I felt like the inner corner came up, and that could very well be because I didn't apply it correctly, but I enjoyed the fact that it was easy to apply and I didn't have glue sticking to my eye like I normally do because I don't know how to apply lashes. So we are going to try this again. This is also from Amazon, and it took one day to get here, and it's from a company called Lancily Store. So Lancily Invisible Magnetic Eyelashes, 3D natural false eyelashes, best for daily dating, party, and as a Christmas gift, with 6 pairs reusable lashes with 2 magnetic eyeliners and a makeup box. And this was $19.99. So we're going to see. I'm going to open it with you guys so you guys can see. This time we are going to follow directions. We're going to read. Reading is fundamental. So the box looks like this. Eyelashes and eyeliner kit, invisible magnetic. I think the band idea is great for an invisible band, because that's what I struggle at with some lashes that have like their really thick band. I don't know how to put them on without the band looking like taking up my eyelid space. So let's open it. So this is how it looks. Very cute. So you have your tweezers, and I'm assuming this is the eyeliner, the magnet stuff, and then the lashes, which looks to be like very natural lashes, not like really big and flimsy. Those I can't do yet. Like I can't even apply them, so I know. But they're cute. So I guess this is maybe the case. The eyelash case. Makeup box. Oh yeah. Oh, and it comes with 2 pair in there. I'm gonna blind y'all with the mirror. But it has a mirror. And another 2 pair of lashes. And a eyeliner. So I guess this would be like a travel, maybe. So that's cute. A travel idea. Let's read the directions. We're not gonna get it wrong this time. Activate the eyeliner. Gently shake the eyeliner before use, which is this. Press the button at the top of the pen until it clicks. Make sure the button is completely pressed down. Wait up to 10 minutes until the eyeliner tip is soaked with liquid. So we don't have to wait again. I think that's the only part that I really don't care for, but I guess once it's down, like, you won't have to do this the next time because we already down. So, and we're gonna wait, so I'll be back. I'll set it right here while I'm supposed to be cooking, but I'm cleaning the makeup, so I'll go see what I'm supposed to be cooking. And we're gonna let that sit for 10 minutes and I'll be back. Okay guys, so it's been 10 minutes. The next instructions say tube shaped eyeliner. Apply the eyeliner and make sure it's not too thin. And the tip this time is completely black, so that means all of the liquid is at the bottom. And I'm trying to put it like right on my lash line. Okay. Next step is wait for 30 seconds to 1 minute to form the adhesive film. Attach the eyelash to the eyeliner with a hand or a tweezer. And I think I want to do the flimsy ones up top. So we're going to do the flimsy ones. or whipsy, not flimsy. The whipsy ones. I'm gonna take this off. The little magnet. The little tray has magnets that the eyelashes stick on. So yeah. And I'm gonna use a tweezer because I don't know how to not use a tweezer. Like this. Yep, I'm doing like this, like it's glue on there. It's not. Okay. So, what some tutorials say look down when putting on eyelashes, and some tutorials say look up. So, I'm going to try up because down has not been working. It automatically snapped on there. I think we got it, guys. The next step says, with the pen-like eyeliner, fill in the eyeliner with a pen-like eyeliner to make the eyeliner complete and perfect. So you can go over the band with your eyeliner. We might be okay. Like, these are... It's something you definitely can just pop on and get out the door. Let's do the other eye. This is the eye I have trouble with. Give that time to dry. This is definitely, you can just pop on your lashes and run out the door. That's the kind of lazy girl I am. Try to grab them in the middle. Look, when you get lashes, you're so used to doing this, but with this, you don't have to do this. So let's see. You see how quick I pop those on? If I was doing glue, it'll never be on. It'll take me forever. At least 10 minutes. And I'm kind of just pinching my lashes with these false lashes. These are worth it. Okay guys, this is the final look. Trying the magnetic lashes from Silly Eyelashes on Amazon. And like I said, if it's quick and it's easy, it's for me. I'm like the lazy person that does the makeup. I want it to look a certain way, but I am so lazy. So if it's an easier way to do it, I will take it. And I like them. I wish that they were like kind of more fuller. Just a little bit more full. I don't like real full and long, but just a tiny bit more fuller. But as far as the application of it, it was a breeze. Like I said, I don't really know how to put on eyelashes, but if I can pop these on in under 2 minutes, then it's an A+ for me. So if you enjoyed this quick video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.